This is the Meta Quest 3. And this right here is the Steam Deck. Yes, this is the Steam Deck OLED to be exact. Well, I'm talking about both of them because I did a video not too long ago on the channel, link in the description below, where I actually used both the Steam Deck and the Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3, what I did is I used an app so I could actually play my Steam Deck on the Meta Quest 3. In the video, I go over the whole thing, how to set it up from start to end. I even show you guys how a game is in it. So that is how I do that. And I just want to talk to you guys about my full experience with it. I showed you guys how to set up. You guys got to see my reaction in game and stuff. But I want to give you guys a more, let's say, comprehensive what I think of it, okay? I honestly do like it a lot. Yeah, I like it a lot. That's the best I can actually say about it. It was a good thing because it was like I had my own big screen movie size TV or whatever, because there's this mode in the Meta Quest 3 where you can put any window in what's called full screen mode. And what it would do is it will make the screen a bit bigger, closer to you, like larger than life. And then it will black out everything else. Like so you're like in a movie theater type setting with it. And it honestly just is pretty cool, if I'm being perfectly honest. So I was able to do that. It worked out perfectly fine. Technically speaking, it worked out more than just fine. It worked out great. This is, again, the Steam Deck OLED, and this is the Meta Quest 3. And as I mentioned before, it was great. Yes, the Steam Deck is OLED, and you've seen a bunch of videos of it, so you know, at least from some point of view, that the screen does look great. But I don't know if it was the novelty of it or whatnot, but I enjoyed playing it in VR as well. That something about having like a big screen, like almost movie screen thing in front of you. So yeah. No, and I was going to make a comment about how you actually can, for the low price of quote unquote free, actually get the app that you need to do the whole experience. I say quote unquote free because while the app is free, you still, just to be entirely real with you guys, you would need to have both Meta Quest 3 and at least a Steam Deck. Now, you don't have to go with the Steam Deck OLED, you can go with the not OLED model. I believe the current base model of the Steam Deck is the non-OLED 256 gigabyte model. I believe they discontinued the 64 gigabyte model, but I think you could still find those on Amazon or eBay or something. I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, my experience, it was a great experience, okay? Being able to play just any game that plays on the Steam Deck in VR is very good. Now, with that said, I also have a tutorial on how to play PS5 games, or I guess PS4 games, it will work as well, or even Nintendo Switch games, technically. Basically, but that involves a capture card and OBS, which I'll put that in the link in the description below as well, so you guys can watch that as well. But this literally just involves the MetaQuest 3S and the Steam Deck. You don't need wires, you don't need to have a capture card or any of those shenanigans. Not even OBS you don't need. Nor do you need extra software on your computer or anything like that. Because the MetaQuest 3 is actually what's referred to as a standalone headset. You don't need a PC to actually run it. So that's what helps with the MetaQuest 3. Or you can get a MetaQuest 3S and have about the same experience. I should probably point that out. The biggest difference between the 3 and the 3S would probably be the lenses. The 3 had pancake lenses, and then the 3S had the same lenses that the 2 had, but the 3S is a bit cheaper, quite a bit cheaper than the 3, which I know some people find a bit backwards or whatever, because usually the S version is like the upgraded version, so it's a bit backwards in that category. But yeah, overall, very good experience. Like I said, link to both of those videos in the description below. I really enjoyed my experience. Like I said, it just was easier than the whole, playing the PS5 or whatnot inside of the MetaQuest 3. I mean, just Steam Deck games, just on a big screen. You're basically still playing on the Steam Deck, but you're playing it on a bigger screen. You're using the MetaQuest 3 as a screen. And I just like that. I really like that. It just works. It just works for me. And I think it might work for you guys as well. So definitely let me know. Let me know if you guys try it out. Again, the video going through exactly how to do it, link in the description below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.